Hello and welcome back to the channel. Get ready iPhone fans, because we've got some massive news. Apple is gearing up to launch the iPhone 17 series in just a few days, and the internet is absolutely buzzing with leaks and rumors. The star of the show, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is rumored to be getting a major design overhaul and the most powerful processor ever. So, what can we really expect? Let's dive into everything we know so far. Let's start. A fresh new look. First off, let's talk design. According to the leaks, Apple is finally shaking things up. We've seen a leaked frame on Weibo that suggests a totally new horizontal camera layout on the back of the Pro Max model. But that's not all. We might be saying goodbye to the titanium frame. Rumor has it Apple is considering a return to an aluminum frame with a sleek glass rear panel. And for those of you who want more screen real estate, you're in luck. The dynamic island is rumored to be getting smaller, giving you a more immersive, edge-to-edge viewing experience. A display that pops. When it comes to the display, get ready for a treat. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is said to feature a massive 6.9-inch ProMotion display. This isn't just big, it's also incredibly smooth. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling, gaming, and watching videos will feel buttery smooth and responsive. This is the kind of display that makes everything look and feel better. A camera system for pros. Now, for all you photographers and selfie lovers, this is where things get exciting. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to be packing a powerful triple camera system, and all three sensors are getting a massive upgrade to 48 megapixels. That includes the wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. And for your selfies, the front-facing camera is getting a boost to a crisp 24 megapixels. You'll be able to capture stunning detail and vibrant colors like never before. Unleash the power. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a beast. It's reportedly powered by Apple's most advanced mobile chip yet, the A19 Pro. Built on a second-generation 3nm process, this processor promises to deliver blazing fast performance and incredible efficiency. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a power user, this chip is designed to handle anything you throw at it with ease. Price and launch date. So, when can you get your hands on this new device and how much will it cost? While there's no official word on pricing yet, the whispers suggest the starting price could be around $1,399. As for the launch, make sure to mark your calendars because Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 17 series in September 2025.